The angles of a quadrilateral are 3:5:9:13. Find all angles of the quadrilateral. This is the question. See, whenever ratio is given, let us say that the first angle is 3x, second angle I will say 5x, third angle let us say 9x, fourth angle let us say 13x. Now you know the sum angle property of a quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. So what I will write here is, let angle A is equal to 3x, angle B is equal to 5x, angle C is equal to 9x, and angle D is equal to 13x. Then what we can say here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, 360 degree, because sum angle property of quadrilateral. So what I will write here, angle A refers to 3x plus B refers to 5x, C refers to 9x, and D refers to 13x. This is equal to 360 degree. So this is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 13 is 30, and that is equal to 360. So 30x is equal to 360. So 1x will be equal to 360 divided by 30. That is equal to 12. That means one angle is equal to x is equal to 12. Now if you want A, then if you want angle A is equal to 3 into 12, that is equal to कितना होगा 36 डिग्री. एंगल B अगर आपको चाहिए तो एंगल B is equal to 5 into 12, that is equal to 60 degree. Angle C if you want, angle C is equal to 9 into 12. 9 into 12 is 108 degree. Angle D is equal to 13 into 12. So 12 3s are 36, carry 3. 12 1s are 12 plus 3 is how much? 56. So this is equal to how much? 156. So if you add all of them, you will get 360 degree. Now the next question is, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rectangle. What I have to prove is, a parallelogram whose diagonals are equal is rectangle. Let us see it. See, already when the figure is not given, I have told you, you draw the figure and explain the figure so that you will get some marks. Now ABCD is a parallelogram where diagonals AC is equal to diagonal BD. So whatever you have drawn, you have to mention there. So you mention here ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram in which diagonal AC is equal to BD. Okay, diagonal AC is equal to BD. Now let us see in triangle ADC and triangle BCD. See, these two sides are equal because opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. This side is common to both. This side is common to both, and the third sides are equal. It's already given. So I can say that triangle ADC and triangle BCD are congruent to each other. So what I can say is, in triangle ADC and triangle BCD, AD equal to BC. First equation, the reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Then AC equal to BD because it is given. AC equal to BD, it is given, AC equal to BD is given, and then what is it? DC is equal to DC, because common side, DC equal to DC, common side, So what I can say is, from equation 1, 2 and 3, these two triangles are congruent. From equation 1, 2 and 3, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD. Therefore, I can say that angle ADC is equal to angle BCD, because by CPCTC. So, angle ADC is equal to angle BCD. The reason is CPCTC. Now children, let me tell you one thing. These two sides are parallel and these two angles are equal. So sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal will be 180. अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम है तो ये साइड और ये साइड पैरेलल होगा, और ये साइड पैरेलल होगा, तो ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल मिलाकर 180 होना चाहिए. तो हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि एंगल ADC प्लस एंगल BCD इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. बिकॉज हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि AD इज पैरेलल टू BC, और AD इज पैरेलल टू BC क्यों? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ABCD से पैरेललोग्राम, और ये ADC और BCD दोनों इक्वल है. यानी मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ कि ADC प्लस ADC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, और 1ADC प्लस 1ADC इज 2ADC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. यानी ADC इज इक्वल टू 180 बाई 2, that is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 डिग्री. यानी व्हाट, अगर ये 90 डिग्री हो गया ADC, तो ये 90 होगा, ये 90 होगा, ये 90 होगा. यानी all angles are 90. ABCD is a parallelogram where if one angle is 90, also other angles will be automatically 90 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and already these two should be equal to 180. So this is 90 means this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. So ABCD is such a parallelogram where diagonals are equal and each angle is 90, so it is a rectangle. So I can say, implies angle A will be equal to, angle B will be equal to, angle C will be equal to, angle D will be equal to 90 degree. Also AB equal to CD, or AB is parallel to CD, or AD is parallel to BC, AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. So all the qualities of rectangle is present in parallelogram. So therefore I can say that ABCD is a rectangle. Now the last question is, show that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, it is a rhombus. It is already bisecting. Now how to prove it? When the figure is not given, mention the figure in your explanation. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral where diagonals AC and BD bisect at right angles right angles at O. Now if I prove that these triangles are congruent, then my proof is over. For example, I'll take the first triangle and say let us second triangle. So I can take that in right angle triangle AOB and BOC. What is that is happening? Let us see. See here, in these two triangles, this side equal to this side is common, and this is right angle. So two sides and one including angle, SAS congruency rule. So I can say that what is it? OA equal to OC. First equation, it is given. I did not say that, it is given. They are right angles, they are bisectors. तो ये इसके बराबर है BO equal to BO because common side, BO equal to BO, ये होगा सेकेंड इक्वेशन बिकॉज कॉमन साइड है, और एंगल AOB इज इक्वल टू एंगल BOC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, ये भी गिवन है, ये भी गिवन है. तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 3, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 and 3, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. Which rule? SAS. SAS. Now in that case AB will be equal to BC by CP CTC. EB will be equal to AB will be equal to what? BC. ये इसके बराबर हो गया. अब इन दो ट्रायंगल्स को ले लीजिए आप, इन दो ट्रायंगल्स को लोगे तो क्या होगा, ये साइड इसके बराबर है, ये साइड कॉमन है और ये राइट एंगल है, यानी BC किसके बराबर होगा, CD के बराबर होगा. फिर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स को ले लीजिए आप, ये साइड इसके बराबर है, ये कॉमन साइड है, ये राइट एंगल है, यानी ये इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गया, यानी ये साइड इसके बराबर है, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this. So we are having a quadrilateral where diagonals are perpendicular, bisectors of each other, and all sides are equal, and hence it has to be a rhombus. So what I will write here is, similarly it can be proved that, similarly it can be proved that what BC equal to CD and CD equal to AD. CD equal to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral where all sides are equal, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals bisect at right angles. Therefore, ABCD is rhombus. ABCD is rhombus. So what did I prove? छोटे में देख लीजिए आप क्या मैंने किया. ये दो ट्रायंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताया बिकॉज ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये कॉमन साइड है, 90 डिग्री है. यस ए यस. फिर इन दो ट्रायंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताया, यस ए यस, यस ए यस. तो ये दो इक्वल हो गए. इन दो ट्रायंगल को एक कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताया तो ये दो इक्वल हो गए, यानी दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड इक्वल टू दिस साइड, यानी एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलैटरल है जिसके अंदर डायगोनल्स परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है और सारे साइड्स इक्वल है, और ये केवल रोम्बस में ही हो सकता है. इसीलिए ABCD क्या है, रोम्बस है.